Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're exploring 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Real listings, real prices, and timeless machines worth your attention. Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson FXLR. $6,989, Redondo Beach, California. This 1989 Harley-Davidson FXLR represents a desirable moment in Harley history, combining classic styling with the proven reliability of the Evolution engine. Powered by an 80-inch Evo motor, this bike features performance upgrades, including a camshaft, Mikuni carburetor, and Thunderheader exhaust, giving it strong throttle response and the unmistakable Harley sound. The isolation-mounted engine and 5-speed transmission make it smoother and more refined than earlier big twins, while still retaining old-school character. Visually, the bike stands out with a custom stretched tank, bobbed rear fender, dark blue paint with graphics, polished wheels, and abundant chrome. With low mileage, excellent condition, and a clean California title, this FXLR is a solid choice for riders who want a classic Harley that's both collectible and ready to ride. Number 2. 1953 Indian Brave, $15,000, Paynesville, Minnesota. The 1953 Indian Brave is a rare post-war Indian motorcycle produced during the Brockhouse era in England, making it historically significant and increasingly collectible. This example has undergone a complete frame-off restoration by Zap Cycle, using OEM parts sourced from respected vintage specialists while incorporating modern internal upgrades for reliability. Featuring matching numbers, a 248cc flathead engine, and a 3-speed transmission, the bike retains its authentic vintage riding experience, including left-side shifting and right-side braking. Despite its original appearance, the upgraded engine design helps reduce common oil leaks associated with early Indian singles. With a clean title, documented restoration, and ready-to-ride condition, this Indian Brave offers collectors a rare opportunity to own a beautifully restored and usable piece of American motorcycle history. Number 3. 1968 Norton Commando 750 Fastback, $12,500, San Fernando Valley, California. As one of the earliest Norton Commandos ever produced, this 1968 Commando Fastback holds serious historical importance. Fully numbers matching, this bike has been restored with careful attention to originality while receiving thoughtful mechanical upgrades for improved reliability. The engine and gearbox were professionally rebuilt with fewer than 2,000 miles since completion and include upgraded bearings, ignition, and fuel systems. Later-style isolastic mounts and refreshed suspension components significantly enhance ride quality without compromising authenticity. Finished in classic fastback styling with polished details and a steel fuel tank, this Commando delivers the iconic British parallel twin experience. With a clear California title and registration, it's equally suited for collectors and riders. Number 4. 1972 Honda CB504, $3,000, Wilsonville, Oregon. The 1972 Honda CB504 is a perfect example of Honda's golden-era engineering, offering smooth performance and legendary durability. This bike shows high original mileage, but extensive mechanical refurbishment has been carried out using genuine Honda Classic Japan parts. All work was performed by a well-known vintage Honda specialist, ensuring proper attention to detail. Featuring the sought-after Nippon Seiki tachometer and speedometer with the correct neutral indicator, this CB500 remains visually and mechanically authentic. With a clean title and excellent running condition, it offers a reliable and affordable entry into classic Japanese four-cylinder ownership. Number 5. 1972 BMW R75/5 Toaster, $11,500, Los Angeles, California. The BMW R75/5 Toaster is one of the most iconic airheads ever produced, and this example is exceptionally well maintained. Known for its smooth power delivery and long-distance capability, this bike has been fully serviced and tuned, with extensive receipts documenting years of careful ownership. Major components including the engine, transmission, suspension, and braking system have been rebuilt or refreshed. The rust-free toaster tank, complete original toolkit, owner's manual, and accessories significantly enhance its collector value. With a clean California title and current registration, this R75/5 is truly turnkey and ready for cross-country touring or weekend rides. Number 6. 1977 Suzuki GS550 Cafe Racer, $3,500, Encino, California. The 1977 Suzuki GS550 played a key role in establishing Suzuki's reputation for smooth, reliable inline-four engines. This example has been tastefully converted into a cafe racer, combining classic performance with a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Even by modern standards, the GS550 delivers impressive balance, solid handling, and strong acceleration for its size. The conversion preserves the character of the original bike while enhancing visual appeal. With a clean title, current registration, and good mechanical condition, this GS550 is an appealing option for riders seeking vintage Japanese performance with custom style. Number 7. 1961 Royal Enfield 350 Bullet, $3,500, Tarzana, California. This 1961 Royal Enfield Bullet is a rare English-built survivor from before production moved to India. Powered by a 350cc overhead valve single-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, it offers a pure and mechanical riding experience. The bike remains original and unmodified, which is increasingly rare among early bullets. Its collector appeal is further enhanced by its feature in the Classic Motorcycle magazine and inclusion of factory manuals. With a clean California title and excellent condition, this bullet is a strong candidate for collectors who value originality and provenance. Number 8. 1974 Yamaha RD200, $4,500, Xenia, Ohio. The 1974 Yamaha RD200 is a lightweight, oil-injected two-stroke that represents Yamaha's commitment to performance and reliability. This example is highly original, still wearing its factory blue and gold paint and retaining both electric and kickstart systems. With low mileage and excellent mechanical condition, it delivers lively acceleration and a distinctive two-stroke riding experience. All lights and gauges function properly, and the fuel tank remains clean inside. With a clear title and honest presentation, this RD200 is an increasingly rare survivor in today's market. Number 9. 1969 Triumph TR6R, $8,000, Gardena, California. The 1969 Triumph TR6R is a classic British 650cc twin known for its simplicity and strong mid-range torque. This matching numbers example includes a clean California title, original black plate, and current registration. While the cosmetics show age-related wear and the odometer is inoperative, the bike starts easily and runs well. Minor mechanical attention is needed, but the fundamentals are solid. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic British roadster with room for light restoration, this TR6R offers both character and long-term value. Number 10. 1982 Kawasaki GPZ 550, $2,900, New York. The 1982 Kawasaki GPZ 550 represents Kawasaki's early sport-oriented lineup and offers strong potential as a restoration project. Featuring a 553cc engine and manual transmission, this bike has been sitting for many years and does not currently run. Sold with a rebuilt title, it will require recommissioning and mechanical work. For hands-on enthusiasts or builders, this GPZ 550 provides an affordable platform with classic early 1980s sport styling and proven Kawasaki engineering. Number 11. 1982 Husqvarna 430CR, $7,500, North Hills, California. The 1982 Husqvarna 430CR is a legendary two-stroke motocross machine, fully rebuilt and ready for competition or display. Featuring a completely refreshed engine, rebuilt Öhlins suspension, and new components throughout, this bike reflects Husqvarna's dominance in off-road racing during the early 1980s. Lightweight, powerful, and purpose-built, the 430CR remains highly sought after among vintage motocross enthusiasts. With excellent condition and no expense spared, this example is ideal for collectors or riders seeking top-tier vintage performance. Number 12. 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $3,250, Akron, Ohio. The 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is a classic Italian cruiser powered by a durable 850cc V-twin engine. Known for its shaft drive and distinctive styling, this bike runs and rides well, with a fully functioning charging and lighting system.
While the fuel tank will require sealing or replacement, additional parts are included for customization without compromising originality. With a clean title and unique character, this Eldorado offers strong value for riders interested in vintage European cruisers.
Number 13. 1972 Penton 125, $3,950, Woodland, California. The 1972 Penton 125 is a competition-focused vintage dirt bike built for AHRMA racing. Featuring upgraded suspension, modern internal components, and a Sachs 5-speed engine, this bike is fully prepared for vintage motocross competition. Designed for performance rather than display, it delivers strong power and agile handling. For racers or collectors who appreciate purpose-built machines, this Penton represents a rare opportunity to acquire a ready-to-race classic. Number 14. 1972 BSA Lightning SRM750, $6,800, Georgia. This 1972 BSA Lightning has been upgraded with an SRM750 conversion, significantly improving performance while maintaining classic British styling. Equipped with modern ignition, upgraded braking, custom controls, and fresh mechanical components, this bike blends vintage aesthetics with enhanced rideability. Finished in candy apple red, it commands attention wherever it goes. Carefully restored by experienced hands, this Lightning is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and distinctive British twin. Number 15. 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000, $950, Xenia, Ohio. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000 is offered as a low-mileage project bike with a bill of sale. Known for its legendary performance and durability, the KZ1000 remains one of Kawasaki's most iconic models. While it has not been recently started and lacks a title, documentation is included and third-party title services are available. With strong visual appeal and solid fundamentals, this bike presents an affordable entry point for restorers or custom builders. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more classic motorcycles, real prices, and hidden deals across the U.S.